I'll be continuing with the regression estimation. So we are continuing our tricky illustration series. This illustration will be tricky yet simple. So let us discuss about the illustration and work out the problem. Welcome friends to the circle of knowledge called Avi's Academy. You are at the right place if you are learning commerce, management and economics at undergraduation and post-graduation level, and if you are one of those who have thirst for knowledge. Okay, this is the illustration that we are going to work out today. So again, this is a tricky illustration because directly they have not given x and y's values, individual values they have not given. They have given certain statistics. So using that we need to find out the y on x or x on y equation, and then we need to estimate some values. Okay, so that we'll be doing. So let us see our illustration. Estimate the value of y when x is equal to 90. So what we need to do, we need to estimate the value of y. We need to find the value of y. So which equation we have to use? We have to use y on x equation because we need to find the value of y, right? So value of y we need, so y on x equation is the equation that we need to estimate, and x value is 90. If x value is 90, what is the value of y? We need to find out. Then they said, and also find out the correlation coefficient along with the y's value. We need to find the value for correlation coefficient as well from the following data. Using these data, we need to find the value of y and the correlation coefficient. So what are the information or the statistics which they have given for us to compute these values? First they said the mean value of x. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ mean value of x ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 60. mean value of x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? mean value of x ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? We can indicate like x bar, right? So x bar ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ which is 60. Next the mean value of y which is y bar which is 50 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So y bar is 50. ಆನಂತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ the regression coefficients, and then they have given the regression coefficient. First they have given y on x which is equal to minus 1.2. So regression coefficient ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? We indicate it as b, right? b. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ y on x ಇನ regression coefficient ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which means it is b of y x, correct? b of yx. b of yx ಎಷ್ಟು? minus 1.2. next ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ they have given x on y ka regression coefficient. So again we represent regression coefficient as b. If it is x on y, we write b of xy, right? So which is equal to minus 0.5. So now using these information, we need to find the value of y first. So we have mean values here, right? That means we can use arithmetic mean method to find out the value of y if x value is 90. So we will be going for arithmetic mean method. Then they have asked us to find out correlation coefficient, and they have given regression coefficient. We know the geometric mean of the regression coefficient is equal to correlation coefficient. That is one of the property of correlation coefficient, or you can say regression coefficient. Using this property, we can find the value of correlation coefficient as well. This is how we need to solve today's problem. Let us do that next. Okay, we'll proceed towards our computation. I said we need to find which equation? We need to find y on x equation under arithmetic mean method, right? So how does it appear? We write it like y minus y bar is equal to b of yx into x minus x bar. So this is our arithmetic mean equation under y on x, right? So now what we need to do is whatever the values they have given in the question, we need to substitute with this equation. We have y bar which is given, b of yx we know it is here, and then they have given x bar. So we will substitute those values with this equation. I'll be doing that now. Y minus y bar is how much? 50 is equal to b of yx. b of yx is minus 1.2 into x minus x bar. X bar is how much? X bar is 60, right? So x bar is 60. So this is the equation after substitution. Now I'll be writing the same. Y minus 50 is equal to minus 1.2 into x. Minus 1.2 into x means minus 1.2 x. Next, minus 1.2 into minus 60. Minus into minus. What it becomes? It becomes plus. So minus 1.2 into 60. Find out the value. If you do that, it will be around 72. 1.2 into 60 will be 72. How? You multiply with your calculator, you will get the same value, 72. Okay, 1.2 into 60 is 72. Next, what we will be doing is, we will be taking this numerical value to the right side of the equation. So that time it will become y is equal to minus 50 we are taking to the right hand side. So this will remain as it is, minus 1.2x plus 72, and minus 50 will become 50. Okay. So next, y is equal to minus 1.2x, next 72 plus 50, which is equal to 122. So this is our y on x equation. Okay, so this is how our y on x equation appear. Next, what we need to do is, we need to find the value of y. Find the value of y if x is equal to 90. If the x value is 90, we need to find the value of y. Okay, we'll do that now, finding the value of y. So I'll be doing that now. I'll rub this. So next we are finding the value of y. Finding the value of y. Okay, let us do that. So we will be using the same equation, y on x equation. Y is equal to minus 1.2x plus 122. So next, again I'll be writing the same thing, y is equal to, now I'll substitute the x value which is given in the question. Okay, minus 1.2 into ಎಷ್ಟು x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I'll be substituting that 90 plus 122. Next, y is equal to minus 1.2 into 90. So if you multiply, you will get a value which is equal to minus 1.2 into 90, which is equal to 108. Use the calculator, multiply the value, which will be equal to 108 plus 122. Okay, so therefore you can say y's value is equal to minus 108 plus 122, which is equal to 14. So this is our answer for the first part of the question. If x value is 90, y's value will be 14. Okay, so this is the first part. Second part, they have asked us to find out correlation coefficient. Let us do that now. So again I'll rub this. So we are finding, what we are finding now? Finding correlation coefficient. Finding correlation coefficient. So how are we finding out? We are using one of the property of regression, where it says the geometric mean of regression coefficient is the correlation coefficient. If I represent that as symbolically, it will be r, which is correlation coefficient. The geometric mean means the root, square root of b of xy into b of yx plus or minus. This geometric mean of regression coefficient will be equal to correlation coefficient. Let us use this property and find the correlation value. So plus or minus root of b of xy is to b of xy, x on y equation regression coefficient, which is minus 0.5 minus 0.5 into b of yx is to minus 1.2. Okay, which is equal to plus or minus 0. Minus into minus, what it becomes? It becomes plus 0.5 into 1.2. If you do that, it is like 1.2 ka half, right? 0.5, which is equal to 0.7. 6. Okay, now we need to find the root of 0.6. Use your calculator and find the root. Okay, you do that, use your calculator and find the root. So the root of 0.6 is, plus or minus will remain as it is, 0.7746. okay, 0.7746 is the value after finding the root. So still we have not completed our solution, though we have got the value as 0.7746, because now we have to decide the sign of the correlation coefficient. So sign of the correlation, it's not as easy as it appears to decide, because we will be using another property of regression coefficient, where it says the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficients will have identical sign. Andre correlation coefficient ಮತ್ತೆ regression coefficient ಇನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇನ ಸೈನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇನ ಸೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ correlation coefficient is minus 77.46. okay, why minus? Because the regression coefficient and the correlation coefficient will have identical sign, so because of that it is negative. You can write that as a note. We are considering this as a minus because the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient will have identical sign. Idannu ನೀವು ನೋಟಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient will have identical sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. We have find the value of y when x is equal to 90, and then we have find the correlation coefficient which is negative. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe button. If you want to share the video, you can share the video, because you can learn to share and share to learn. If you want to get continuous notification, click the bell icon there. And if you have any comments, doubts, clarification, please write here. Thank you once again. Thank you all.